Two more dates we'll look at. 1810 was 300 and some years after the Spaniards arrived. That gave many generations of Spaniards time to be born in the Americas, and they eventually started to say, hey, we want independence from Spain. So in 1810, this is Hidalgo, a Mexican priest who declared independence from Spain. And at that time, many other countries began to declare their independence from Spain. So we have 711 when the Moors took over Spain. We have 1492s when they got kicked out of Spain. Now we have the Spaniards starting to get kicked out of Latin America. This is the beginning of a long road of Latin Americans trying to get their independence from Spain. So let's look at how we can come up with the equation for 1810. You should already know by now. Should just be able to figure this out. 4 goes into 1800 4 times. We're going to put 4 over here. That is going to be 1600. 210. 2 into 210 is going to be 10. Minus 200. 1 into 10 is 10. That's going to be your equation for 1810. The independence movement in Latin America started in 1810, but it didn't end in 1810. It took a long time before all nations were fully independent of Spain. This is a fort in Latin America. This is in the Caribbean. This is one of the last remaining testimonies to the Spanish Empire in the Americas. It was in 1898 they pulled out. So from 1492 to 1898, for about 406 years, they ruled all of Latin America, which is the Spaniards. And it took 90 years for them to get kicked out. It started in 1810, and it took until 1898 before they were all gone. The very last independence war was fought. I'm going to give you a second to try to solve this one on your own. On your own sheet of paper, try to solve this. If you want, you can hit pause on your video, and I'll be with you in a second to talk you through how I got it. So you go ahead and try to solve this one on your own. All right, 4 is going to go into 1800 4 times. So you're going to have 4 dots. That's going to be 1600. So you subtract, we'll have 298. That'll go in 14 times. There's 14. That is going to be 280. If you subtract, we'll have 18 left over. 1 will go into 18 times. There's your number, 4, 14, and 18. That's going to get us the number, or the equation for the number 1898.